Welcome to Carrot Bars International. In 2011, Dr. Harold Constantine Zeitz laid the foundation for his company, Carrot Bars International. The mission was for every human being on the planet to be able to own physical gold. What was once one man's vision is now a worldwide empire of companies that generates an annual turnover of more than 100 million euros.
You can see this room is filled with people, excitement, but most of all with love. And that's the love of our CEO and founder, Mr. Harold Zeitz, who has blessed not only a community, but a country. And I remember one of the first events I went to, there was 50 people, and that was our freedom celebration. And today we have an event with nearly 4,000 people. So Carrot Bars is a great company. Thank you, Mr. Harold Zeitz. And thank you, South Africa, for an amazing experience.
We're about to make probably one of the highest steps in the telecommunications and blockchain industry ever made.
Today's the day I shape my destiny. Today's the day I take control of my future.
It took a person with godly attributes to be the steward of what is changing people's lives all over the world. He needed one man to start that ball to rolling, to create that avalanche of wealth around the world. And that one man, I submit to you, that one man is Harold Zeitz.
I started in 2011 with this company. In 2011, we sell gold 1 gram, 2.5 and 5 gram. And my idea, I think about how I can make a payment system with this. Okay, if you have small units in gold, it's happened that the people accept the gold. It has happened. Gold is gold. The paper money is nothing since 1971. And this is why, as I begin, I think we can create a payment system with gold behind. And then I create a cash gold. Everybody knows cash gold here? Cash gold is the solution.
And creating innovative solutions is what Carrot Bars International is all about. Our Carrot Bars universe gives you all the tools needed to build wealth by saving, trading, and managing your funds. CarrotBit, our cryptocurrency exchange, offers you a platform to acquire and trade your cryptocurrencies for cash gold, cash, and other cryptocurrencies. CarrotPay, our payment system with gold, gives you the opportunity to do business online and pay products or services with the trust of gold backing it. The KCB coin is our digital currency used for all transactions within the KB universe. CarrotBit, CarrotPay, and the KCB will generate revenue with every transaction, and the profit goes into backing the KBC and the development of our ecosystem. We also have other amazing innovations like the world's first cash gold exchange machine, the CEM, which allows holders of our cryptocurrency to exchange our coins in real time for physical gold. No other cryptocurrency in the world can do that. And that's not all. We also introduced the world's first voice-over blockchain smartphone, the K1 Impulse. It is based on a completely new technology which fully encrypts all your information like text, voice, financial transactions, video, and documents, with all data being encrypted on the Data IPFS platform. Everything you transmit will be encrypted and visible only to you and the receiving user you choose. We have expanded that same technology to the world's first blockchain-based laptop computer, the WIM. Through our breakthrough technologies and innovations, we have mobilized your wealth-building system. Your physical and crypto assets and communications are secure, private, and user-friendly so that everyone, everywhere, can experience a lifestyle of freedom and success. Carrot Bars has made available a simple wealth-building system for everyone on the planet who is 18 years of age and over, with 4 optional ways to participate. Option 1, save gold. Saving is the first principle of building and maintaining wealth. Most people don't have $1,000 in savings. That's because they don't pay themselves first and our dollar's buying power is being destroyed due to inflation. It is impossible to outrun an exponential inflation with our declining linear incomes, so this is why we save gold. Since 1932, gold has outperformed currencies by more than 6,200%. $100,000 worth of gold acquired in 1932 is now worth over $6 million. In 1920, you could purchase a brand new Ford truck for $645, or 1 kilogram of gold. Today, it costs 40,000 of those same dollars, but it still only takes that same 1 kilogram of gold with change left over. We don't have to prove to you that the buying power of your dollars are going down. Just go to the grocery store. $20 won't buy what it used to. Today, you could put $20 worth of groceries in a little basket over your arm. So if you do nothing else but save gold instead of paper, you will build wealth. $100,000 saved in gold in 1971 is today worth over $4 million. Option 2, save and earn. As an independent affiliate, when you save gold for yourself and share with others how to do the same, you position yourself to be compensated through our unilevel system compensation plan. Now, you can earn a monthly bonus of up to 6% of the gold savings volume within your organization. Option 3, maximize your earning potential. You may choose from a selection of physical or digital packages which position you to generate cash flow monthly and weekly through our dual system compensation plan. These packages are income-producing assets and position you to generate multiple streams of income. Here are just a few. Whether you choose bronze, silver, gold, or VIP, you will earn a 10% direct commission on personally sponsored affiliates who also choose a package. You'll earn a 3% direct commission on your second generation and 2% on your third. Then there's the dual team. Anytime anyone within your organization acquires gold, business packages, electronics, or cryptocurrency products, there is a unit value attached to it. Each time you accumulate 50 units on one team and 25 units on the other, you receive dual team payouts which continue to infinity. The payout is as much as €80 based on your package, and you can earn up to 180,000 payouts per week. You may also participate in our dual team matching bonuses. As people within your organization generate dual team payouts, you could earn up to 7 generations of matching bonuses per week. And Carrot Bars doesn't stop there. We also provide long-term team building incentives with awards like Rolex watches, Mercedes-Benz cars, even a luxury villa built for you anywhere in the world, debt-free.
Recognitions. Put the word dream. Never give up on your dreams. Dream and dream big. If I can do this, so can you.
So dream big. Get back with the person that shared this valuable information with you, and let's get you started building your dreams with Carrot Bars International.